Just as Lord Rama faced numerous challenges on his journey to rescue Sita and restore Dharma, spiritual seekers too encounter 8 formidable obstacles on their inner quest. These obstacles often test one's resolve and determination. Like Rama, who overcame every trial with unwavering focus, seekers must confront these challenges with patience, discipline, and clarity. Overcoming these obstacles leads to deeper spiritual growth and the eventual realization of truth. Welcome, seekers of wisdom, to Atman Awakening. Today we dive deep into the 8 obstacles in spiritual path. By analyzing the concepts of Ramayana. First obstacle, physical illness. Like King Dasharatha's grief-induced illness. That is, after the exile of his son Rama, King Dasharatha was overwhelmed with grief. His heart, burdened by the separation from Rama, couldn't bear the shock, leading to a rapid deterioration of his health, and eventually passed away. So in meditation, too, physical illness becomes the first obstacle. When the body is weak, spiritual practices become challenging. Second obstacle, mental doubt, the dilemma of Hanuman. Similar to Hanuman's momentary doubt about crossing the ocean to Lanka, mental uncertainties plague the spiritual seeker. Doubts about one's capabilities, the path, or the divine plan create inner turbulence. Third obstacle, continuing wrong actions. Ravana's persistent ego. Like Ravana, who knew his actions were wrong, yet continued his destructive path, seekers sometimes persist in behaviors they know are detrimental, trapped by desire and ego. Fourth obstacle, laziness. Kumbhakarna's deep sleep. Reminiscent of Kumbhakarna's prolonged slumber, laziness becomes a powerful obstacle. Just as Kumbhakarna missed crucial battles due to his deep sleep, spiritual lethargy prevents growth. Fifth obstacle, uncontrolled cravings. Kaikeyi's uncontrolled desire for her son's throne in the Ramayana symbolizes how overwhelming and unchecked desires can cloud one's judgment and lead to destructive actions. Similarly, on the spiritual path, sensory cravings pull the seeker away from their true purpose, focusing their attention on worldly pleasures instead of inner growth. These desires act as distractions, constantly pulling the mind in different directions and hindering progress. Like Kaikeyi's obsession, these cravings create a cycle of restlessness and confusion, making it difficult for the seeker to remain focused on their spiritual journey and ultimate goal. Sixth obstacle, delusion. Indrajit, Ravana's son, was a formidable warrior whose belief in his invincibility stemmed from his mastery of illusions and powerful weapons. His delusion of being unbeatable clouded his judgment, making him overly confident in his abilities. Similarly, in the spiritual journey, the delusion of invulnerability or superiority can lead the seeker astray, blinding them to their own weaknesses and the true nature of their path. Just as Indrajit underestimated Rama and his allies, spiritual seekers trapped in their own delusions may fail to recognize the strength of humility and the importance of true understanding, ultimately leading to their downfall. The seventh obstacle, inability to sustain higher states. After the defeat of his brother Vali, Sugriva was crowned king of the monkeys. However, he soon became complacent and indulged in pleasures, neglecting his duties and the promise he made to Rama to help find Sita. This lapse in responsibility and focus led to a delay in the search for Sita, demonstrating the difficulty in maintaining a higher state of purpose and commitment. Hence, spiritual practitioners struggle to maintain elevated states of consciousness. Eighth obstacle, inability to stay in a state. Rama's emotional fluctuations. As seen in Ramayana, Rama experienced intense emotional states during his exile and rescue of Sita. Spiritual seekers find it challenging to maintain emotional equilibrium. So, what can we do about these obstacles? There must be some solution. Just as Rama maintained unwavering focus on his dharma and rescued Sita, spiritual seekers can overcome these obstacles through: first, devotion or bhakti to the divine can provide strength and guidance, helping one stay focused on the spiritual path despite distractions. Second, single-pointed concentration allows the mind to stay anchored, overcoming doubts, fears, and confusion. Third, by surrendering to the divine principle, one can relinquish personal ego and control, embracing the wisdom of a higher power. Chanting Om serves as a powerful tool to purify the mind, bringing clarity and peace. Lastly, focusing on the Guru Tattva, the principle of the Guru, helps one stay grounded in wisdom, as the Guru's teachings light the way through the spiritual journey. Through these practices, seekers can face and overcome the obstacles, moving closer to spiritual fulfillment. The spiritual journey, like Rama's epic quest, is not about avoiding obstacles, but about maintaining inner strength, clarity, and purpose despite them. As Rama ultimately emerged victorious, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth, the spiritual seeker can transcend these 9 obstacles by maintaining an unwavering connection to the higher self. The Ramayana of the inner journey teaches us that every obstacle is a chance for spiritual evolution, every challenge a stepping stone to enlightenment. So, seekers of wisdom, thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of obstacles in our spiritual journey. Your curiosity fuels our journey of understanding. If these insights resonate with your soul, hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring, be blessed,